Here's how to connect Instagram data to Claude AI using Windsor.ai as a bridge. Open your browser and search for Windsor.ai. Go to the official site and click Start for free. Once inside, search for Instagram in the search bar and select Instagram Insights. Click Grant Instagram Access, log into your Instagram account, and select the page or account you want to connect. Click Next and complete the short account creation form with your name, email, and password. Now open Claude.ai. Go to the left sidebar and click Customize, then Connectors. In the search bar, type Windsor.ai and it should appear. Click the plus button to add it and click Allow Access when prompted. Claude will show a list of tool permissions linked to Windsor. Enable the ones you need. Return to the main Claude chat window, type Windsor in the prompt bar, and select Explore your connectors. You will see your connected apps, including Instagram Insights, confirmed as active. You can now ask Claude to analyze your Instagram performance data, summarize insights, or help with content strategy using your real account data directly in the conversation. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.